I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day.
Hey traders, welcome to another video from Global FX Education from myself, Big Boss. Today we're going to be speaking about one of the most traded forex commodities in the world, which is gold. I have a lot of updates about this in my previous analysis, where if you would like to check them out, I will leave them in the links below. Before I start, make sure you hit the like button and leave me a comment on your next pair that you would like to see. It helps the channel grow bigger, and it helps a lot of other people get to see this interesting video. So without further ado, let's start from the monthly time frame. So from a monthly time frame, what we can see on this price action over here, it is quite interesting to see that if you look at my previous analysis that I made for you guys, that there is this cup and handle that the market has created, and the market currently is broken out from this cup and handle. If you have a look over here, so this is the cup, and then we have the handle over here from a monthly perspective. So normally with a cup and handle, let me just explain to you for educational purpose what a cup and handle actually does. It is quite an interesting pattern in the market, and it is a good pattern to trade, especially if the market is showing a monthly cup and handle. It is quite a good bullish sign for this commodity. So a cup and handle, normally the market will reach two peaks over here, and then it will basically consolidate or range between here until it breaks out. So at the moment we have quite a nice breakout on the monthly time frame, but like I said, um, there's still a lot of momentum bound to be in the market before we can have a much bigger push for this commodity. On the monthly time frame, it is quite clear and simple. If you look at current price action with this candle over here, you can see this candle over here was a very bearish candle for a move to the downside to test the previous support that was lying over here. Now you can see this support is a very strong support area for gold. It is tested it numerous times with nice strong rejections of the support area, and I do believe that gold can at least reach the 1900 area before the end of the year. Now, looking at it from this type of view, you can see that even though a lot of people are saying that we should sell gold, etc., etc., for me, if you look at this specific candle over here, this is an extremely bullish candle, guys. This is a very nice, strong, bullish move from institutional buying on the commodity gold, and I do believe that we can see gold creating some new highs next year, 2022. From a monthly point of view, that is what I can see. We can see that it's starting for a nice bullish push to the upside. I would also like to see the market make an equal high or even a nice push until the 1900 area, then it should come down for another correction. Now if we go down on the weekly time frame, like I explained to you guys before, this support area that we have over here is extremely strong support area on this commodity, and you can see here it was previous resistance many times, previous support many times, with a nice big strong bullish candle over here, which is a sign that institutional buying is starting to happen on the gold commodity. Now, if you look at the weekly time frame, it's quite clear and simple to see that the market had made this impulse to the downside, but of course failed to make a lower low. So what does it mean if the market does not make a lower low? It is quite simple. The market had rejected this support area, catching all the retail sellers in this area for a sell, and they got pushed out the market as we speak. Now, I just want to point out for you guys some interesting areas on gold that you guys can look out for. Is this area over here. This area over here is an extremely strong area of previous resistance. As you can see, previous resistance here, previous support here. We had resistance, support here. We had support here and resistance here. So there's quite a lot of pressure in this area. And I would really like to see gold making a move down to this area before it continues its push to the upside. Now, on the weekly basis, that is what I can see. Also, what I would like to show you is that the commodity has already made a brave move. It has already made a very good bullish move to push out from this weekly trend line. So this weekly trend line has a lot of potential, and if you trade breakout strategies, you can definitely be looking for an opportunity to take the gold to the higher 1900 area. Um, let's go down on the daily, and I'll show you guys on the daily what I can see on the daily. Now, with the daily, if you look at the daily, it is quite a very strong bullish momentum that we have on this pair, and it it's about to make quite a nice swing trading opportunity for this commodity. If you know how to swing trade and you're interested in swing trading, you'll know exactly where to wait for this type of move. What we can see here is that the market basically caught out all the sellers, where the sellers were trying to sell this commodity over here. Let me show you over here, trying to catch them out over here again, and also trying to catch them out here, especially on this lower low here. So a lot of sellers, retail sellers have been selling gold from these areas, which made it much easier for institutions to actually make this move to the upside. And this move was expected. We already have taken this move in my VIP. We already entered the market at 1882, 1782, and we are currently risk free at the moment, and we're running in quite some nice deep profits. So yeah, that is basically what we can see. The market is basically getting ready now for a correction, and what we need to see from a correctional point of view is, if you look at the Fibonacci taken from the low to the high, these are the first areas that you have to be looking for an opportunity to actually get in on the swing trade. Now, it's important to know that when the market reaches these areas, you need to be quite patient. You need to be quite patient, and you need to have a lot of um, you have to have the right mindset in order for you to look for a good opportunity like this. So these are the two areas that I will mark for you guys, so that when the market will reach to down to these two areas, you can be looking for a good swing trading opportunity to grab this higher high on gold. Without that said, let's have a look at this daily move that we have going at the moment. If you see the market, any sort of market like this, guys, just for an educational purposes, if you see a market that has created some sort of big move like this, it is always best to wait. And this is where patient traders will make a lot more money than impatient traders. It's always best for you to wait until the market makes a correction before you look for another entry. So it's always best to wait. It's not ideal to sell either, because we know that overall the market is bullish. Um, but it's always better to wait and sit on your hands until the market reaches a nice strong area before you're looking in to getting into the market to take the pair or the commodity to another higher high. So it's extremely important that you look at this gold market and you say to yourself, okay, I'm going to sit now on my hands. I've already made my money, or I've already got in the market where I need to be, and now we just need to wait for the market to actually come down and make a correction before we actually get a much bigger push to the upside. Now, I just would like to give you my overall target for this commodity so that you guys will be able to um, follow this analysis, and I will also make an update on this analysis for you guys. This is exactly where I would like to see the market reach on a weekly basis. I would like to see the market at least reaching this area over here. Before it can reach that area, we need to see some sort of correction and then a bigger push to the upside. So overall, looking at the monthly, looking at the weekly, looking at the daily, I'm still bearish, still bullish on this commodity, and I'll definitely still be bullish until next year, February, at least next year, February. I hope that this video was educational for you. Please, guys, if you have any questions, let write them in the comments below. Let me know which other pairs you would like to see, and I hope that this video analysis will help you in your trading throughout the next 2 or 3 months. Have a good day, and thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. God bless.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey,